Welcome to Mantri Talk, discussing finance, conspiracy theories, tips and tricks to earn income online, business, and investment.
Imagine this. You've got an assistant who works 24/7, never sleeps, never complains, always available. This assistant can help you write emails, create content, build a business strategy, edit videos, or even help you learn a new language. Sounds too good to be true? That assistant already exists, and it's called artificial intelligence. But here's the twist. AI isn't just for big tech companies anymore. It's in your phone, in your car, on your favorite apps, and soon it'll be in almost every job and industry. So the real question is, are you ready for it? Or will you be one of those people saying, I wish I'd started earlier? All right, let's break it down. What is AI really? AI stands for artificial intelligence. Simply put, it's the ability of machines, computers, software, robots to think, learn, and make decisions, kind of like humans do. But don't get it twisted. AI isn't alive. It doesn't feel anything. What it can do, though, is analyze huge amounts of data, find patterns, and make predictions, way faster than any human can. AI isn't a new concept. It's been in development for decades. But in the last 5 years, it's exploded. We've gone from clunky chatbots to realistic AI voices. From simple automation to tools that can design logos, write full blog posts, and even diagnose diseases. And you know what? You're probably already using AI without even realizing it. When Netflix recommends your next favorite show, that's AI. When Google Maps reroutes you to avoid traffic, that's AI. When your phone suggests the next word you're about to type, yep, AI again.
Hey Siri, what's the weather like today?
But AI isn't just about convenience. It's starting to reshape the world. In healthcare, AI helps detect diseases early and speed up diagnosis. In finance, it helps spot fraud and automate trades. In education, AI-powered tools personalize learning for each student. In creative industries, AI is helping make music, art, even full-on movies. So why does this matter to you? Because this isn't just about what AI can do, it's about what it's changing. The way we work, learn, create, and even earn money is shifting fast. Jobs are being transformed, entire industries are adapting. Some roles are becoming automated. Others are becoming more valuable because they know how to work with AI. Work with AI versus against AI. Think of it this way. AI is like the invention of electricity. At first, people were afraid, but now we can't imagine life without it. The same thing is happening with AI, and we're right in the middle of it. Here's the good news. You don't need to be a programmer to take advantage of AI. You just need to start understanding it and learning how to use it to your advantage. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or just someone curious about the future, this is your moment. So don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying this so far. Subscribe if you haven't already. And tap the bell icon so you don't miss Chapter 2. AI isn't the future anymore. It's the present. And the earlier you get in, the better your chances to thrive. So, now that we understand what AI is and why it matters, let's talk about something a lot of people are secretly worried about, and they should be. Jobs, careers, the future of work. You've probably heard headlines like, AI is coming for your job, robots will replace humans. But is it really that simple? No, it's more complex and actually way more interesting, because while some jobs are being automated, others are booming because of AI. It's not about man versus machine, it's about man plus machine. Let's start with the hard truth. Yes, AI is changing certain jobs dramatically, especially jobs that are repetitive, rule-based, data-heavy, or don't require much creativity or emotional intelligence. Data entry clerks, bank tellers, call center agents for basic inquiries, basic customer service reps, even some aspects of accounting and legal research. But don't panic. It's not about total replacement. In many cases, AI is automating parts of a job, not the whole thing. Which means if you upskill and learn how to work with AI, you actually become more valuable. Now here's the exciting part. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's also creating brand new ones, jobs that didn't even exist a few years ago. Let's look at some fast-growing fields. AI prompt engineer, machine learning specialist, AI trainer. Yes, people teach AI how to understand things. Data analyst, AI-enhanced content creator, automation consultant, cybersecurity analyst. AI opens new threats and defenses. Human AI interaction designer. And here's something even better. Some of these jobs don't require a tech degree. In fact, creative fields are exploding thanks to AI. Writers, designers, video editors now have tools that make their work faster and better. If you know how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway ML, or Canva AI, you're already ahead of the curve. AI is like electricity in the 1900s. It's not just for tech people. It's spreading everywhere. Let's look at the industries seeing major AI transformation. Healthcare, diagnosing diseases, managing records, even robotic surgery. Finance, fraud detection, investment analysis, AI trading bots. Marketing, targeted ads, AI-generated content, automated customer journeys. Education, personalized learning paths, AI tutors. Retail and e-commerce, chatbots, dynamic pricing, inventory prediction. Agriculture, crop monitoring with drones and AI sensors. Logistics, route optimization, automated warehouse systems. So yeah, no matter what your passion is, there's probably an AI tool already involved or coming soon, and that's where the opportunity is. Here's a key mindset shift. Instead of asking, will AI take my job? Ask, how can I use AI to be better at what I do? Because humans still do things AI can't, like emotional intelligence, big picture thinking, ethics and empathy, complex problem solving. The real winners in the AI era? Those who combine human creativity with AI superpowers. So, here's your mission. Think about your job, your hobbies, or even your business idea. What parts of it could be faster, smarter, or easier with AI? Chapter 3. Top AI tools you can start using today, even if you're not a techie. If you've been following along, you now understand what AI is and how it's transforming jobs and industries. But let's get real. What can you do right now from home, even if you're not a programmer or tech expert? This chapter is your practical toolkit. I'm going to show you some of the most powerful AI tools that you can start using today to work smarter, earn faster, and stay way ahead of the curve. Let's start with the most popular and, for many people, the most profitable AI writing tools. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Perfect for brainstorming ideas, writing blog posts, emails, captions, scripts, basically anything with words. ChatGPT has a free version available, it's easy to use, and it works in any language. Notion AI. Great for productivity and organizing ideas. It can turn messy notes into structured outlines. Jasper AI, or Write Sonic. Built specifically for marketing. Write ad copy, landing pages, SEO content. Use these tools not to replace your ideas, but to amplify them. Think of them as your digital writing partner, fast, tireless, and always ready.
Chapter 4: Future-Proof Skills in the Age of AI.
By now, you've seen how powerful AI really is. It's changing how we write, design, work, even how we think. But here's a big question. If AI can do so much, what skills should we focus on as humans? What are the skills that will still matter or even become more valuable in this new world? That's exactly what we're going to uncover today. Skills that won't go out of style, even as AI gets smarter every day. Despite all its power, AI still has serious limitations. It doesn't truly understand context, it doesn't have emotions, and it can't replace human relationships. Emotional intelligence, understanding people, empathizing, reading the room, still essential for leaders, educators, HR, therapists, and managers. Critical thinking. AI can give you answers, but can you tell if they're good or biased? Knowing how to question information is a superpower. Creativity. Yes, AI can generate, but it doesn't imagine like a human. The spark of originality still comes from you. Ethical judgment. AI can't decide what's right. It follows code, not conscience. Ethical leadership will be crucial in tech-driven companies. Adaptability and growth mindset. The ability to learn quickly, stay flexible, and unlearn what no longer works, that's your competitive edge. Chapter 5: Real Opportunities in the AI Era. Career, business, side hustle. You've learned what AI is, how it's changing industries, what tools to use, and the skills you need. But let's get to the big question. Where's the money? What are the real-world opportunities in this AI-driven era, whether you want a job, build a business, or just earn extra income?
In this chapter, I'll show you actual paths people are taking today. No hype, no fluff.
Just real, actionable ideas that you can start with right now. Section 1: Career Paths Powered by AI. Let's start with traditional career paths, but with an AI twist. These are jobs where AI is part of the process, not a threat, and demand is growing fast. AI prompt engineer. Even without coding, it's about communication, not just logic. Data analyst or data visualizer. Turn raw data into smart decisions with the help of AI. Digital marketer with AI skills, using AI for ad targeting, content creation, A/B testing. UX designer for AI products. Design how people interact with AI tools, a human-first approach. Customer experience manager with AI insight. Train AI chatbots, personalize user journeys. You don't need to reinvent yourself. Just upgrade your existing role with AI tools. Learn them, add them to your portfolio, and become future-proof. The truth is, AI is a tool. Whether it replaces you or empowers you, that's up to you. This is your moment. Start learning, start building, start small if you have to, but start. AI isn't coming, it's already here. And the people who act today will shape the world of tomorrow. So don't just watch the future, create it. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoy content like this, Don't forget to subscribe to Mantri Talk and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.